Hello everyone and thank you for joining me once again. Today I'll be talking about the reasons why some people should not invest in crypto. In fact, crypto is not for everyone. So I'm going to quickly tell you reasons why you should not invest in crypto. It's not meant for everybody. Some people have been telling you go and buy Bitcoin, go and buy Ethereum, go and buy meme coin. In fact, you can make money with all these things, but it's not for everybody. And most importantly, the reason why people buy is when the hype is high. That's when a lot of people buy and then the price will go down. So I'm going to tell you what the problems are, I'll tell you the solutions, and then I will tell you my recommendations at the end of the video. So without wasting your time, let's quickly look at the problems or the reasons why people should not invest in crypto. The first reason why most people should not invest in crypto is because of volatility. Now, some people don't understand that crypto market is very volatile market. Price can go up 1000% now and can come down 50% right now. So you just buy a particular coin and in the next 1 minute, the coin can go down 50%. In the next 1 hour, the coin can go down 50%. The same way the coin can go up 1000% in the next 1 hour or two. So the same thing happens when it's want to go down. It can go down 50-60% within an hour. So it is very, very volatile. Most especially if you are trading meme coin, you are going to see this a lot of time. You might say, but Bitcoin is not like that. Bitcoin might not be like that, but there are coins that do that. Most especially if you are investing into meme coin, like I always do, then you will see how volatile it is. But even on Bitcoin, you can see 10% in a day, 20% in a day. At some times during bear market, it does happen. In fact, in 2021, during the bull market, a lot of people make money and a lot of people are calling themselves crypto guru. After 2021 bull market or bull season, what happened? 2022, 2023, the market went down and all those gurus, they are nowhere to be found. So you have to understand the seasons of crypto and understand that crypto is very, very volatile. That's the first reason why most people should not invest, because they do not have the heart to actually bear their loss. The second reason why you should not invest in crypto is because of lack of knowledge. If you don't understand how cryptocurrency work or blockchain work, there is no reason for you to invest. If you want to invest, go and start learning cryptocurrency. Some people just say, I have so and so amount of money. I heard that cryptocurrency is doing well. I want to put my money in cryptocurrency. Please just tell me one coin to buy and let me forget about it. Even you want to buy a coin and a guru wants to suggest a coin for you, you still have to understand how it works. That even though a guru suggested it for you does not mean it will do well. And if it even is going to do well, it might not do well in the first 1 month. It might be in the next 2 or 3 months before it starts doing well. You have to have that understanding so that you will not buy it now and 1 week later you are in loss and you want to sell it. You have to understand how it works. So lack of understanding is actually another reason, problems, why people should not invest in cryptocurrency. Another reason why you should not invest in cryptocurrency is because of hacks. You see, hackers can actually hack your wallet. And if you are somebody that is not careful, you can lose all your money. Now, I'm not saying that you are going to lose your money if you have cryptocurrency, but if you are somebody that used to click different links, hackers can use those links to have access to your cryptocurrency and take off your money and take off your crypto. So if you are not somebody that is very careful and understand how blockchains work and understand how hacking works when it comes to cryptocurrency, you've not taken your time to study all those things, what you should do and what you should not do, then you are not ready for crypto trading. You are not ready for investing into crypto. And that is why I'm telling you now, you should not invest in cryptocurrency. That's another problem. Why people should not invest in cryptocurrency. Another reason why you should not invest in cryptocurrency is if you don't have emergency funds or savings. People want to invest in cryptocurrency and they want to put all their money into it. Okay, so you have 10 million naira and you want to put all your 10 million naira into cryptocurrency because people tell you the price is going up, it has done 20% in the last 1 day and then it's going to do another 500%. Then you have 10 million naira and you want to put everything into it. Have you forgotten? Emergencies will come. Have you forgotten? You need some savings to handle some things. You are still going to spend money all over the month. You want to put everything there because you think somebody told you it's 20% today and tomorrow is going to do 30%. So you put it there and tomorrow instead of it doing 30%, it went down 10%. And so your 10 million naira has now gone to maybe 9 points. It has now gone to 9 million or 9 million plus. And because you are in loss, you don't want to sell it, then you hold it there, and there is an emergency to handle, you don't have the money to handle those emergencies. So if you are such a person that is overly invested into it and you want to put everything you have into it without having emergencies and saving out, because when you are investing in cryptocurrency, actually, you have to understand it takes time. So if you are not ready to leave it for the long term, that when the price is going down, you don't really worry. I'm there for the next 1 year, I'm there for the next 2 years, I'm there for the next 3 years. If you are not ready to do that, to put money there like that, then don't go into cryptocurrency, because what you expect might not come. And it's not that it will not come, but it might take time to come, and you might not have the patience to actually do that. And because of that, you are going to sell at a loss, and you are going to miss out on it. That's why cryptocurrency is not for you if you are the type of person that does not have savings or you do not have emergency fund to cater for your needs. Now let's look at who cryptocurrency is for. The first thing I want to talk about is somebody that has risk tolerance. Someone that can take risk. If you are somebody that can take risk, you have been taking risk and you have been going away with it, you can take risk. You have the heart to take risk. Cryptocurrency is for you. Why? Because cryptocurrency involves taking risk. And in as much as you can take the risk, do your research. I've always told you, do your research. You have done your research about cryptocurrency. You have done your research. You've done everything you have to do. Maybe you are trading Bitcoin or you are trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you are doing. You have done your research and you know it's a very good coin and you can take risk. Of course, cryptocurrency is for you. Another set of people that should invest in crypto are people that have their emergency fund saved up, or they have their retirement savings. They have a particular money they can always fall back on when crypto is not doing well. Then cryptocurrency is for you. Or you have some investment or money somewhere else, then cryptocurrency is for you. Another set of people that cryptocurrency is for are people that treat it more as a speculation and not an investment. So if you treat it as a speculation, that things can go wrong, things can go right, things can go wrong. That's the way you see it. So you are not investing majority of your money there. You just have a portion of your money, the percentage of your money you put in there, and you know it is speculation. If it's not doing well today, maybe in the next 1 year it will do well. But you actually know, you treat it as a speculation and not as an investment. So if you are that kind of a person, then you can invest in cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about smarter alternative to you investing in cryptocurrency. What are smarter alternatives to you investing in cryptocurrency? The first one I want to talk about is you have to start with stock market. You want to go into cryptocurrency, but then start with stock market. Understand how stock market work. Most especially the stock market of your country. Start with it first. Understand how it works. Understand the volatility in it. Understand the risk in it. Then start with it and see that it's a long-term process. And with that, you will have the understanding of how cryptocurrency works. And of course, you can actually go into it. But there's a smarter alternative. The smarter alternative to it is for you to start with the stock market. Another thing is, if you want to go into cryptocurrency, first ensure that you have built your emergency funds. Now, I've made video about emergency funds before now. You can go and watch that video. No, have a stable emergency fund. Have your emergency fund saved up, so that if there's any issue with your investment in crypto, you have money that can cater for your needs. Focus on long-term wealth building rather than chasing risky investment. Like I've said, cryptocurrency is risky. So one solution to it is you first focus on long-term wealth building. So you know that if you are investing in cryptocurrency, now you are not apportioning all your money into it. Okay, you might apportion 10% of the money you have into cryptocurrency, because the most important thing is that you are looking at a long-term wealth building process. Okay, so you have other things you have invested in. Cryptocurrency might just be 5 or 10% of what you are actually doing. So you should have a long-term wealth building plan. In as much as that plan is in place, you know that no matter what you are doing or you are doing in cryptocurrency, it's just a percentage of whatsoever you have. Another way to go about cryptocurrency is to do what we call dollar cost averaging. With dollar cost averaging, this is how you do it. Now, anytime you get your salary at the end of the month, you might decide, okay, let's say your salary is about $500 or $1,000 every single month. You might decide 10% of that you want to use it to be buying cryptocurrency or to be investing in cryptocurrency, no matter the season we are, whether we are in the bull season or in the bear season. Remember, people that actually bought Bitcoin and they were in the bull season in 2021, when the price went to about 70K, Bitcoin actually went from 70,000 or 67,000 to about 15,000. It went down to about 15,000. Imagine if you bought when it was 67,000 and then it went down to 15,000. How much loss would that be on you? In fact, when it went to 15,000, that is when a lot of people, some people will sell. 20,000, 15,000, that's when some people will sell. And after they sold, the price starts climbing up back. And as we speak, it is over $100,000 per one Bitcoin. But remember, some people sold at 15,000. They bought at 60,000. They sold at 15,000. The price starts coming up again, and then it is over $100,000 as we speak. Now the bear market is still coming, and the price will still go down below 100,000, and that is when some people will start selling. Let's say the price goes down to about 50,000 or 40,000. Some people who have bought at over $100,000 will start selling at about 60,000 or 40,000 as it's going down. But then the next thing that will happen is the price will go above 100,000, maybe to 150 or 200 at the next bull run. So you have to understand how these things actually work. Do dollar cost averaging. Just be buying at the end of every month and have a target for the next 4 years. Have a target for the next 5 years or 6 years in cryptocurrency, and it's going to give you a lot of profit. Some people have become rich through cryptocurrency, but the truth is, some people have also become poor. In fact, millions have become poor through cryptocurrency because they buy at the wrong time, and people that bought early cashed out on them. So what I'm going to say is you need to have a very good financial muscle before starting cryptocurrency. On this note, I'll be closing, and I want to say see you in the next one. Subscribe to this channel, like it, and share with your friends.